Hi, students. I am going to go over lab assignment 6.2. I will give you the answers to the cases, but let's start off here with case number 2. Okay. So we only have one physician, Dr. Rudy, and different things. Okay. They did use abbreviations on the inpatient face sheet. So at that point, you need to circle no abbreviations. And also, there was not a follow-up done. So that means you need to circle complete follow-up. Okay, a discharge summary. It was not in the chart. So if it's not in the chart, that means they need to dictate it. Same thing here. We have a discharge progress note that needs to be documented because there wasn't one. And here we do have physician orders, but they weren't all signed. So that's why we circle sign. Now keep in mind, if I don't have anything circled here, that means it was complete. We don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to case 3. This is for Mr. Stanley, and we have Dr. Wiley. Once again, the face sheet was fine, so we don't circle anything. The discharge summary we need to dictate because there wasn't one in the record. Progress note, daily progress note needs to be signed. Discharge progress note needs to be documented. And once again, the physician orders need to be signed. This patient had a surgery, an operation, and it was not, the surgery report was not in the chart, so we need to circle dictate. Okay, case 4. All right, one thing with this one, it's kind of tricky, and I'll double check everyone's on this one, but Dr. Thompson here, again, they used abbreviations on the face sheet, and they can't use abbreviations. So we need to circle no abbreviations. The admission progress note needs to be documented because there wasn't one. Discharge progress note needs to be documented, wasn't one. And this patient did have surgery. So once again, the operative report was not in the chart, so we need to circle dictate. Once again, everything that is not signed, that means it was okay. Okay, so case 4. This is a one-day stay, which means a physician can document a complete discharge progress note instead of dictating a discharge summary. Okay, on to A. Gibbon, Dr. Norris. We need to dictate the discharge summary, so I circle that. We also need to document progress note, discharge order, and it looks like as if everything else has been signed, so we are good. Case number 7, or chart number 7, we have Dr. Swan, and the discharge summary was not here, so we need to dictate it. Or the doctor does, I should say. History and physical, the same thing, dictate. Discharge progress note, we need to document. Physician orders, the physician needs to sign them. So let's go ahead and move on to 8. Once again, they did inpatient face sheet, no abbreviations. There was not a discharge summary. History and physical look great. Admission progress note was not completed, so we need to circle document. Everything else looked great. And then number 9, no abbreviations. They use them again on the face sheet. We need to complete the discharge instructions. The discharge summary needs to be dictated, was not present. The history and physical was not signed, nor was the admission progress note. And they need to document the discharge progress note and discharge order. But everything else looks great. So hopefully everybody learned something from this assignment, and hopefully this video clarifies a few things. And if you have any more questions, please reach out.